What's the meaning of chip and pin? Chip and pin. Chip and pin.
Chip and pin. Chip and pin.
Chip and pin is a technology used in credit and debit cards for secure transactions.
It involves a small microchip embedded in the card, which generates a unique code for each transaction.
The card holder then verifies the transaction by entering a personal identification number, PIN, on a keypad. This system is more secure than the traditional magnetic stripe, as it makes it harder for fraudsters to clone cards and use stolen data. It has become the standard for card payments worldwide, improving the security of financial transactions.